What's going on, everybody? AD here over at Russ Darrow Nissan in Milwaukee, 11212 West Metro Auto Mall. Today I got a walk around for you guys. I got this gray sky pearl Nissan Versa 2024 SR edition, which you'll see that right there. Right here you see there's sensors in that vehicle, so that brake mitigation with that safety shield, that Nissan safety shield. If I stood in front of this vehicle and it came running at me, that sensor is gonna coexist with this camera here and it's gonna stop for you. So that's for stop and go situations. If you're not paying attention, you're playing with your phone, watching AD's videos, you know, somebody stops in front of you, this car is gonna stop for you, all right? We got 17-inch alloy wheels here. Now that does come with a wheel lock on there so that nobody can go ahead and take those off of there. Right here, you'll see that you have nice blind spot warnings. So these light up when somebody comes in your blind spot, as long as you don't have that signal light on. Also, where you see that breakaway mirror there, which they do come out black, and that's that SR edition. They don't put it with the same color as the vehicle. Go ahead and open up this. You'll see that you do not have power seats with that SR edition, but you do have things like a wireless charger. You also have that screen, which is huge, and you can have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It is a color screen at 8 inches, okay? This comes up and down, you guys, also goes in and out, which is amazing. So you can kind of get comfortable, and at the same time, our seats do raise. A lot of people do want to be a little higher when they're driving, or if you're short or anything like that, you can raise and lower that seat. See, they have a little small design here that's kind of, you know, sportier look. You also have that red stitching, and that's what's going to be involved with your SR Versa here. This is one of our more entry-level vehicles, so it is at a budget price to where you can afford, and it's gonna save you a bunch of gas mileage here. I mean, you're probably getting 35 to 38 miles to the gallon, which is huge. Right here, I'll feel under here, you do have a little rubber button here that I could kind of push. You see when I push that, we raise that up, you're gonna see a backup camera here. So that backup camera also is gonna have sound in it, so it's gonna beep. As you get closer, it beeps faster. If you get away, it beeps slower. Also, if I stood here, the same thing as that front of that vehicle, this car is gonna stop. So if you're backing up, you don't see that garbage can or you don't see that garage door, this car is gonna stop for you. It saves you. You got emergency things like this, just in case you ever get kidnapped. You go in, this glows, you pull that, you can get out, jump out on the freeway. You see they give you special things like nets here that you can kind of put your oranges in, your golf balls or things like that. Then you have special mats in here. Also, you do have a spare tire. So that's awesome. And then your Nissan, AAA kinda, if you ever call 1-800-NISSAN, they can come pick you up. See, it's got a spoiler here, which is wonderful. That comes with that SR edition also. Over here, pretty smooth, nice little back seat there. You'll see you do have that red stitch and a little bit of red access in there. And a lot of people don't know, back here, if you look at that USB cord there, it does have that little lightning bolt. So that's where I plug in my charger, because that lightning bolt means it's a fast charger. Fast charger in the back seat, it's just wonderful. You do have these buttons here to where it's hands-free. Keep your smart key in your pocket or in your purse. I never need that out because it's a push button. So I can get in the car, go ahead and get out the car, and I never need my key. I press this button, I go ahead and walk away, and I'm all fine. Come on back, I'll remote start my car because these do come with remote start. And you can also start your car from an application. We do have our My Nissan app that we will sign you up with when you purchase your new car, and you can register it to where you can warm up your car in the winter from your bed. Amazing vehicles, guys. I got tons of them. I got other things that I can tell you about, but I don't want to make this video too long. Come and see me, Adam Diaz, over at Russ Darrow Nissan in Milwaukee, 11212 West Metro Auto Mall.